someone na who will also look for me and pursue me. Kasi I really think na women should be pursued and women should feel special and women should be taken care of. Kasi ibabalik naman ng babae yun
I
sa'yo
respect
eh.
that. I respect that. Okay, you had this project na kasama si Mark Nicdao, ating
Yes.
kaibigang Mark Nicdao. Kumusta yun?
Si Mark, sinama ko siya in one of my United Nations
Trips.
trips. Kasi
Okay.
dinadala nila ako to all different countries to study kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila for UN World Food Program. And then, sabi ko, Mark, kailangan may gawin tayo for the soul. Gawa tayo ng personal natin. So, pumunta kami and then, sabi
Sa
niya,
Nepal?
Case, sa Nepal,
Okay.
Kapita Boy. Sabi niya, Case, huwag kang masyadong magpaka-busy to the point na makakalimutan mo na kung ano yung naging experience mo. Sabi niya, here's a camera. You take pictures kung ano yung nakikita mo kasi para maalala mo yung mga tao, maalala mo kung ano yung itsura nila, kung ano yung happiness nila, yung kagandahan ng place, para hindi natin makalimutan.
Okay.
And 3 years after that, nagkaroon ng earthquake sa Nepal. So, hindi namin na-expect, Tito Boy, na magagamit pa namin yung personal pictures na yon for an exhibit. And it was Mark's idea long time ago na, alam mo, pwede natin kasing i-exhibit to.
Proceeds of the exhibit went to...
United Nations World Food Program.
Okay. And Christina, naglaro ka sa Kapamilya Deal or No Deal. You donated 300,000 to the kids in Mindanao. My question, and I've never asked you this as somebody very close to you, why are you so charitable? Natotoo yun. Why?
Siguro, Tito Boy, na-feel ko lang kasi yung blessings ni God na, you know, sabi nga nila, bakit nag-aartista pa si Casey? Bakit ba niya kailangan magtrabaho, ganun? Sabi ko, ayoko, first of all, na maramdaman ng ibang tao na parang ang taas-taas ko or whatever, na isipin nila about someone na nag-aaral sa international school or sa ibang ano. Naisip ko, since exposed naman ako, Tito Boy, sa nakikita ko, and when I got the opportunity to work for the World Food Program, sila na rin mismo yung nagdadala sa akin sa Mindanao. And actually, the first time na nag-mission kami sa Cotabato, hindi kami makalanding kasi binomba yung runway namin. So, sabi ko, hindi lahat siguro magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob gawin to. And I said na, maganda rin kung mag-reach out ka knowing kung ano yung nangyayari doon, maraming takot. Sabi ko, Lord, I'm not gonna lose anything. Take me there. And it makes me feel na, you know, it's nice to remind people na mga youth na meron din silang magagawa
That
sa
you can do
mga
something.
kapwa Pilipino
That's
nila. And as Filipinos, siguro, lagi tayong may baha, lagi tayong may mga calamities. Parang maganda rin na nakahanap ako ng way na to give back.
Are you gay?